Well, here we are in Pennsylvania, snowy Pennsylvania. The hunting season just ended yesterday, so I know a lot of us are bummed out about that, but that's okay. It'll be here before we know it. Those of you guys that do some habitat work, as soon as the snow melts, I'm sure you'll be out doing that. Shed hunters, you'll be out shed hunting. We do it all. So, with that being said, I figured today would just be a good day to put up an old video from 2010. A good friend of mine, Rich Wilson, got to take him out and enjoy a nice rifle hunt. So sit back, enjoy this on this snowy Sunday, and thanks for all your support. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Now this next hunt, don't blink, because I take a great friend of mine, Rich Wilson, out on Pennsylvania game lands, and we get it done. This is a stand that's been pretty productive for me all year. We had an encounter with one of the biggest bucks I've seen all year, and I was really happy to take a friend like Rich out.
So I guess this story actually starts just 2 days ago, Thursday. Adam was over the house and we were talking about what we were going to do this weekend, where we were going to go and stuff. I wasn't real sure at the time if Adam was going to be real sure if he was gonna go or not, because he had already gotten a buck in Pennsylvania, Ohio, Missouri. Friday came along, we came up with our plan to get in the woods real early.
We got the first Saturday buck season in Pennsylvania. Nice fresh coating of snow around last night. Just got up in a tree here. Buddy Adam was kind enough to bring me to this spot. I'm really hoping we get to see something this morning. Good morning.
So it was about 15 minutes before 10, and Adam says, "Oh, we've about 15 minutes to go," and did a couple more grunts and stuff, and they couldn't have been 5, maybe 8 minutes later. These 2 deer come.
It's going his way, so take your time. It's downwind, or it's upwind. A couple of them. That's a buck. It's a nice buck. Right? Just going his way. There's 2 bucks. The first one's good. Wait a minute. They're both pretty good. You decide. Wait a minute. Second one, first one's better than this one right here. Meh. Second one's below us. Second one right here. It's got a nice walk down. I couldn't get a good shot at the first one. Might have been a little bit bigger, I don't know. It seemed like it was taller. I'm shaking like crazy. I can't believe it. We were just about ready to leave, dude. Really. Them deer were over there for probably 30 seconds. I just seen movement. Got my scope up, and I couldn't see him. So it was pretty crazy. Alright, we got him. It's a 10-point. Nice buck though. I'm thinking like 33 and a half years old.